Jim Rogers, Rogers Holding Chair. Jim is joining us now via Skype, I believe. Is this, I want to know, if we do get a tax cut deal, will you be buying more stock or will you sell on the news that we've got a deal?
Well, it looks like there's a blowout in place, you know, and it often happens in markets. Every 10, 20, 30 years we have them. We may be having one now. But, Stuart, I would buy Japan if this happens. Japanese markets are down 50% from their all-time high. Chinese stocks are down 40%. I'd rather buy low instead of buying high.
OK, well, that's fine, but most of our viewers are going to be investing in America or no place else. Do you think what's your judgment here? Are we at the point where we're just going straight up, blowout?
Stuart, all Americans, especially those watching Fox, can buy Japanese shares. They're listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Chinese shares, I'm just saying they're cheaper on a historic basis than U.S. shares. If U.S. shares are going to double from here, say to make it up, that means Japan's going to double too. And I'd just rather buy the cheap ones. Okay. And it looks like we're in the state worldwide where stocks everywhere are going to be going up a lot.
We've got 20 trading days between now and Christmas. Do you think the Dow will hit 24,000 by then?
Stuart, you should watch Fox Business News. They know a lot more than I do. I'm the worst short-term trader in the world. I'm the worst short-term market timer in the world. Watch Fox News.
Well, thank you very much indeed for that little plug there, Jim. We'll take it. Let me ask you a longer-term question. Do we hit 25,000 1 year from now?
Oh, I suspect we will hit more new highs, which will surprise everybody, including me. But next year at this time, stocks will be down. OK. Well, I think
clean-cut answer. One last one. Bitcoin. It went up by $1,000 in just a few days. I think the current price is 9,700, if I'm not mistaken. Is that a bubble?
Well, if you just showed me charts and showed me what's happened in that market over the past year or two and didn't tell me what it was, I would say, Stuart, this looks like every bubble I've ever read about. I don't own any Bitcoin. I've never bought or sold, so I'm not a good one to ask. But it sure looks like the picture of every bubble I've seen.
Gotcha. Jim Rogers, thanks for joining us today. I'm sorry we had a little problem there with the Skype and the audio and what have you, but you came through, and we appreciate you being with us, Jim. Thank you, sir. Good stuff.
My pleasure.